But attorney Martin George says during a pandemic, any laws imposed to protect citizens will modify their rights and freedoms. The attorney's comments have come as he sought to address the issues surrounding police or health officials entering private spaces under the COVID-19 health laws.
We must understand that, look, in times of crisis or pandemic, there would be certain curtailments on the rights and freedoms of citizens for the greater good. And that's essentially what Justice Budu Singh has held.
Mr. George gave an example of instances when the authorities can enter private premises without a warrant.
When you have the persons from the insect vector control unit who are coming around in your communities and villages and saying, well, look, they need to come into your premises to inspect, to see, to check for, whether you are harboring mosquitoes or, you have water standing that would, be a source of hiding for vermin. Then the point is, it is clear that the authorities do have, the legal perspective whereby they can enter your premises. And this is what
Mr. George said basically Section 1.33 of the COVID health law can be interpreted by using the purposive rule and the golden rule. The first deals with the purpose and effect of the law, and the second with the fact that Parliament does not make laws intended to create an absurd or ineffective result.
In applying the golden rule, the intention of Parliament is to prevent the check and spread and to check the spread of the coronavirus. So in other words, again, this ties in with the purposive rule, and you have the golden rule also tying into that to show, well, okay, what is your intent? So I think when you look at all these things as a whole, a way can be found to make a case to say that there is that authority under the law and under the legislation, if necessary, to be able to enter into a private space for that purpose.